Hello guys, welcome to Stock Addict. Now recently I have changed the name of the channel from Finding Signals to Stock Addict, so please don't get confused. Now today in this video we are going to discuss about one of the leading metal company in India which is into the sector of steel and basically produces or manufactures stainless steel. It is one of the leading brand in India and the name of the company is Jindal Stainless Limited. You people might have heard about the Jindal Group as they have a lot of companies under this group name, and a lot of credit goes to Shri Om Prakash Jindal, who was the pioneer of this group and has done tremendous work in bringing this group up to the top level in the country. In December 2020, the board of Jindal Stainless decided to merge this company with Jindal Stainless Hisar, which is in Haryana, in the swap ratio of 1:1.95. But currently, this merge has not happened. This merger is still on the line, and it might happen in future due to some legal issues. There were objections in this merger, not the objections, but the delays. Now, with this merger, it might have gave company a business of 20,000 crores and also increase in capacity as both the companies would combine and then manufacture goods, and this would have made company the top 10 stainless steel companies in the world. This would have bring them under this list, which is a great thing because it would be the first Indian company in that list. When we have a look at the products of Jindal Stainless Limited on their website, we can see that they have steel slabs. Now these steel slabs are semi-finished products which are used to manufacture other type of steel products, and company also gives this type of products like B2B business. They get B2B business because of these products. They have hot rolled coils which are made by continuous heating of steel, then cold rolled coils which are made from plastic deformation and usually are thinner and more durable than the hot rolled coils, so they have a different application. Then they have plates which are used for strengthening foundations like in infrastructure purposes like bridges, so these are supposed to give strength to structures. Stainless steel is also widely used in plumbing. Now the basic reason is because this material is rust proof, and that is why it is widely accepted everywhere. They are also used in the chemical industry. Automobile and railway transport is also a wide user of stainless steel. Then consumer durables like washing machines, microwave, refrigerator, razor blades, etc. And even process and engineering like for water treatment and water supply. So guys, we can see stainless steel being used every possible place outside, and not only outside, it is also used inside the human body. Doctors use this stainless steel rods and plates to join our bones, strengthen them in case of some accident or injuries. When we look at the stainless steel industry or the metal industry, we can see that the stainless steel is the fastest growing metal in the last 2 decades, and even the production of stainless steel has consistently grown in the last 7 or 8 years till 2020. We can see now in 2020, due to the effect of pandemic, there was slight drop in this production, but then also we can see it was not a huge drop. Now, how is this stainless steel manufactured? Stainless steel is manufactured using raw materials like nickel, iron ore, chromium, silicon, etc. And more than two-thirds of the global nickel production is used to produce stainless steel. Now in the quarter 4 of 2021, we can see a rapid increase in the prices of nickel. We can see that they were around 15,930, and into quarter 4 of 2021 they reached to 17,500, more than it in fact. And even in the chromium prices, we can see a jump of almost 40% in the quarter 4. Now you guys would think, as these are the raw materials for the company, so it would be a negative thing for the company as it would reduce their margins. So you're quite right. One of the special thing about Jindal Stainless is that they have such great goodwill in the market. So whenever there is rise in cost of raw materials, they immediately pass on this cost to the customers. And companies like Tata Steel, Apollo Pipes also enjoy this benefit because these are some of the respected companies in this metal sector. So yes, there is some negative impact, but most of them is transferred to their customers. So it does impact their margins, but not in a similar percentage. So guys, when we look at the fundamentals of Jindal Stainless Limited, we can see that the market cap of the company is around rupees 10,000 crores. So it can be termed as a mid cap company. The PE ratio of the stock is 7.65. Now you guys would wonder why the PE ratio is so less. But even the industry PE ratio is 6.41. Now there is a thing with metal industry. Now these companies are given less PE ratio because it is a cyclical industry. And generally when metal companies make profit, these profits are then used for reserves, and in turn when there is a cycle, when the cycle is downwards, these companies have to face a lot of losses, and then these reserves are used to compensate with those losses. So that is why these companies are given a reduced valuation. Now I'll show you by example by looking at the P&L statement. Now we can see that the company has good sales and good sales growth every year. In 2010 it was around 6,000 crores, and it has grown year by year. Even there is operating profit every year, but when we look at the profit before tax, we can see that in some years it is in negative, like 2012, 13, 14, then 16. So why is that? Because of the burden of their debt. Now there is huge interest cost and depreciation, because of which the profit before tax becomes negative, as it is a capital intensive business. Now गाइस, जब हम शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न देखते हैं, प्रमोटर्स की होल्डिंग थी 67% 2019 में। 2021 में वो पहुंच चुकी है 68.60%। सो प्रमोटर्स ने अपनी होल्डिंग लगभग 1.5% से बढ़ाई है। फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशंस की शेयर होल्डिंग अराउंड 11% थी और अब 15% से ज़्यादा है, तो 4% फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने बाय किया है। डोमेस्टिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने अपनी शेयर होल्डिंग कांस्टेंट रखी है 7 से 9% के बीच में, बट पिछले 2 क्वार्टर में हम देख सकते हैं कि उन्होंने भी शेयर होल्डिंग बढ़ाई है। सो शेयर होल्डिंग कम किसके पास से हुई है? वो है पब्लिक के पास से। तो शेयर होल्डिंग गई है सिर्फ स्ट्रॉन्गर हैंड्स के हाथ में। फ्लोट कैपिटल रिड्यूस हुई है, जिससे शेयर्स की ट्रेडिंग, द नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स बीइंग ट्रेडेड इन द स्टॉक मार्केट और एक्सचेंज हैव बीन रिड्यूस। सो ये स्टॉक के लिए हमेशा बेनिफिशियल होता है, बिकॉज इससे स्टॉक की सप्लाई कम हो जाती है, और जब सप्लाई कम होती है तो हम जानते हैं कि चांस होता है कि स्टॉक की प्राइस बढ़े, या किसी भी चीज़ की प्राइस बढ़ती है जब उसकी सप्लाई कम हो जाती है। So guys, one of the vital thing in the metal industry is to look at their Capex plan, because all the companies are somewhat manufacturing same type of products, which are steel rods, steel slabs, or any other commodity based products. So there is not much differentiation. So what determines company's future is their Capex handling capability. Now for Jindal Stainless, we can see that they have planned a Capex for increasing their capacity from 1.1 million to 2.1 million, almost doubling their melting capacity. It is also increasing their downstream products capacity by 1.5 times, and have planned a capex of 2600 crores for FY 2023. Along with it, the merger with Jindal Stainless is on the line, which will help company in bringing all the assets together, and it would make company a vital player in the global stainless steel sector. So guys, this is the chart of Jindal Stainless on a 1 day time frame. Now we can clearly see that the stock is in a strong upward trend. और ये upward trend क्यों है? रीजन था कोविड के बाद मेटल सेक्टर में बहुत अच्छी तेजी आई थी। उसके बाद जहां हमें थोड़ा डाउन टर्न दिखा मेटल सेक्टर में, फिर रशिया यूक्रेन के वॉर के वजह से मेटल सेक्टर फिर से रिवाइव हो गया, बिकॉज ये डोमेस्टिक मेटल कंपनीज के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद है। और अभी हम देख सकते हैं स्टॉक 203 के प्राइस के अराउंड ट्रेड हो रहा है, and we can also see that stock has been taking support from this 50 days moving average, and it has taken support multiple times, and currently also it has been trading above this 50 days moving average, which is another bullish sign for this stock. So what is the buying level for this stock? Also guys, we can see that stock is above the CPR, and it has been taking support from this CPR zone. So according to me 195 could be one level to enter in this stock. बट अगर कोई भी ये स्टॉक खरीदता है, या उसको अपनी रिसर्च करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है एसएल डिसाइड करना खरीदने के पहले, बिकॉज दिस इज़ वन मेटल स्टॉक, और मेटल स्टॉक साइक्लिकल होते हैं। इसलिए अगर आप सही टाइम पे एग्जिट नहीं करेंगे तो आपको काफ़ी लॉस हो सकता है। तो एसएल कहाँ रखना चाहिए? अकॉर्डिंग टू मी एसएल सीपीआर के नीचे कहीं भी, ये लेवल 185 कैन बी योर एसएल। So guys, this was all from this video. If you found this video helpful, then please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.